Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making brown rice. I am also baking salmon to enjoy with brown rice. To make brown rice, I have 1 cup of basmati brown rice, salt 1/4 teaspoon, green peas 1 tablespoon, 2.5 cup of water, and extra virgin olive oil. I am using 2 to 3 teaspoon. Let me show you the pack of brown rice I am using. In a pan, add rice, then add water. Also add green peas and turn on the flame. Now add salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix them and keep the flame high to boil it. It will start boiling after 2 minutes. When it starts boiling after 2 minutes, turn on the flame to medium low so rice can cook in steam. I will add the link of baked salmon in the box. After 20 minutes, rice absorb enough water. Let them cook for more 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, brown rice are ready. So they took 30 minutes to cook. Now turn off the flame. Brown rice are cooked beautifully, mashallah. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil on them. Mix them and enjoy with baked salmon.